up?
What's up?
What's up? What's up? YouTube. Hey guys, your girl Riri back at it with a new video. Today for you guys, we're popping fireworks because it's the 4th of July. Happy 4th to everybody out there, to you and your families and friends. I hope you have a good day. And comment down below if you're popping fireworks or not. But we have my favorite YouTuber.
Yeah, until we come back.
Oh! The real came next door. But let's take a second and see.
It's me, the real party real next door.
I already said that.
Oh.
But anyways, before you interrupted me, let's take a moment and think, why do I look like a 6-year-old with this bow and plaits in my hair? But are we taking my plaits out today?
I'm not doing it.
You gonna do
Who's
it?
on your hair again? Not me.
You? No, you're gonna do it for me. You're gonna do it for me. But guys, we'll be back when we start popping fireworks. Hey guys, so I'm back and we're about to pop our fireworks. Oh my gosh. So like the people right down the street, their fireworks are so good. Look back there. They can't see you, Momo. She's complaining. See, they're like back there. Wait. Like right there. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna start popping fireworks first because Kayla's scared. So, enjoy.
Hurry!
They intense over there.
For real?
We about to go walk down there and go. That's our fire show right there. That's right. That's the fire show. I'm scared.
Oh, come on, Cover. You're making me scared. I gotta pee.
Can somebody come for?
You gotta do it. Yeah.
Stand out there and watch it.
Oh, Carly! Wait. Hold on, it's not done. It's not done.
It is done. She said. Should I kick it like the man?
No, don't touch it.
She said it's not done. It's not
What you doing, kid?
He told us to wait. He said, wait, you see if it's done.
I don't know. I'm scared.
It's done.
Go get it.
Shoot something else. You ain't gotta kick for something to go.
I'm scared.
Oh! Oh, that was cute!
Oh.
Oh my gosh! We've never done this before.
Oh yeah. That's it. Yes.
What happened to the other one? Put it together. There you go. Oh, you did it. Oh, that one pink looking. And that one look kind of greenish.
Oh my goodness.
Why are you standing like that? All right, give me a spin. Give me a rainbow. We getting those next year. Whew, it's hot.
Why'd you come close?
Mosquito ate me up.
Hey guys, so I know it's dark, but I'm walking down the street to go look at these fireworks these people are popping. Since I couldn't go see other fireworks, so I'm just gonna come down here and watch. So So I hope you enjoy their show. So here's a clip of their fireworks. Close. They're so hyped. They're so hyped.
You know, spend some money on this.
Yeah.
Spend some money.
Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to 200 subscribers.
Yeah.
20 likes. Let's get Kayla to 100. 100? 100?
The real party next. Oh my
The
god.
real K next door.
Oh, I can't even get my own YouTube name.
But the next
Help.
I have to go help her with her editing. But the next video will be
2 weeks from now.
no, probably. But probably a vlog. But bye guys.